Hello everyone, it's Lara. So today I'm going to share my finale with the Child of the 80s project Anne. This project was created by Ceylan and it's a fantastic ladies collab project and it's all about the 80s. So I was able to meet my goal on quite a few things. So the first thing I was able to meet my goal on was for ET, a unique product I put in this Hollow Taco nail polish. My goal was to use it one time and I did use it one time. Next, for Cowbell, an integral part of your routine, I put in this face wash. My goal was to use it 10 times, and I did use it 10 times. Next, for 21 Jump Street, something you want to use 21 times, I put in this Millennium Baked Blush. And my goal was to use it 21 times, and I did use it 21 times. Next, for I'm So Sure, I put in this Revolution powder. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I did use it 5 times. For Sun In, a lightening brightening product, I put in this highlighter from Too Faced. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I did use it 5 times. For Shrinky Dinks, a mini product, I put in this Bare Mineral bronzer in Warmth. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I did use it 5 times. For Perfect Strangers, something new, I put in this makeup remover. My goal was to use it 10 times, and I did use it 10 times. And the last thing I was able to meet my goal on was for Eye of the Tiger, an eye product. I put in this eye cream from Estee Lauder. My goal was to finish it, and I did finish it. So there were 3 things I did not meet my goal on. One is probably not surprising. For Blockbuster, a discontinued item, I put in this body spray from Victoria's Secret in the blush scent. My goal was to finish it. Didn't quite make it. Another thing that's probably not surprising is for Indiana Jones, an indie product. I put in this Ofra lip liner to finish and didn't finish that. And the last thing for Star Wars, I put in this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Birthday Girl. My goal was to use it 5 times and I didn't even touch it. So unfortunately I wasn't able to get to all the prompts, but I did get through, I think, at a little more than half, which I think is pretty good. And as for finishing products, I was able to finish 14 products in this project. Okay, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye.